In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp to create your own screen recordings efficiently and effectively. Whether you're an educator looking to create informative tutorials, a business professional preparing a presentation, or just someone who wants to share their digital experiences with friends and family, this guide will provide you with the insights you need to get started with Clipchamp's user-friendly tools. First, open your web browser and navigate to Clipchamp's official website. It's always a great start to ensure that you are on the official site by checking the URL, ensuring you're in the right place to access Clipchamp's features without any hitches. Now that you're on the site, if you haven't already signed in, you'll want to create an account or log into your existing one. This step is crucial as it allows you to save your work and access all the features Clipchamp has to offer. Once inside, you're going to see an option labeled Record and Create. This feature is going to be your go-to for screen recording. Go ahead and click on it. It's usually easy to find right there on the main menu, inviting you to embark on your creative journey. After clicking Record and Create, you'll notice several options appear. For today's task, you'll want to select Screen. This option is vital as it enables you to record whatever is happening on your screen, which is perfect for creating detailed how-to guides or sharing your screen activities. As soon as you click on Screen, Clipchamp might prompt you with a few permissions. These typically include allowing access to your screen and your microphone, especially if you're planning to add voiceover narration to your screen recording. Depending on your browser, these prompts will look slightly different, but be sure to allow any necessary permissions they ask for. This step ensures that everything works seamlessly and your screen recording process goes off without a hitch. Once you've dealt with those permissions, you're practically ready to begin recording. With everything set, you can now start capturing your screen's activities. Clipchamp will give you a countdown or a visual indicator, preparing you to get into action. Make sure everything you want to record is ready and visible on your screen to capture high-quality footage. And just like that, you're all set and done. You have now successfully navigated through Clipchamp's screen recording setup. With these recorded clips, you can now dive into editing, enhancing, and adding unique touches to your content as you see fit. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide empowers you to create compelling screen recordings with confidence and ease.